Looking for the best gaming mini PC in 2026? You've come to the right place. Mini PCs have evolved dramatically over the last few years, offering desktop-class performance in incredibly compact designs. Whether you're into competitive esports, AAA gaming, content creation, streaming, or simply want a powerful computer that doesn't take up much desk space, today's mini PCs deliver impressive performance without the bulk of a traditional gaming tower. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026 based on performance, features, upgradability, connectivity, and overall value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. MINISFORUM UM790 Pro. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, this compact powerhouse features DDR5 5600 MHz memory support, USB 4 connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, and Windows 11 compatibility. The UM790 Pro delivers exceptional performance for gaming, multitasking, and content creation. The Ryzen 9 7940HS combines powerful CPU performance with AMD Radeon 780M integrated graphics, making it capable of running many modern games at respectable settings. DDR5 memory support ensures fast system responsiveness, while USB 4 provides high-speed connectivity for external GPUs, storage devices, and monitors. Despite its compact size, thermal management is impressive, allowing the system to maintain strong performance under heavy workloads. Pros: powerful AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, fast DDR5 memory support, Radeon 780M graphics, USB 4 connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth support, excellent multitasking and gaming performance. If you want the best overall gaming mini PC in 2026, the MINISFORUM UM790 Pro is difficult to beat thanks to its outstanding performance and premium feature set. Number 2. GMKtec K11. This model includes the Ryzen 9 8945HS processor, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB SSD, making it one of the most powerful ready-to-use mini PCs on this list. The Ryzen 9 8945HS provides excellent processing power for gaming, streaming, productivity, and content creation. Combined with 32GB of DDR5 memory, the system feels extremely responsive even during demanding tasks. Its fast SSD reduces load times, while the compact design makes it ideal for gamers with limited desk space. Pros: Ryzen 9 8945HS processor, 32GB DDR5 memory included, fast 1TB SSD, excellent multitasking capabilities, compact and modern design, strong future-proof specifications. The GMKtec K11 is a fantastic option for users who want flagship-level performance in a small form factor. Number 3. GMKtec M6 Ultra. It features an AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS processor, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and support for triple 4K displays. The Ryzen 5 7640HS provides excellent gaming and productivity performance while maintaining strong power efficiency. The integrated Radeon graphics are capable of handling esports titles and many modern games at lower settings. Triple display support makes this mini PC ideal for multitasking, office work, and content creation. Pros: Ryzen 5 7640HS processor, good gaming performance, triple 4K display support, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, compact design, excellent value for money. The GMKtec M6 Ultra delivers excellent performance and value, making it a great choice for mainstream gamers. Number 4. Aoostar Maco 6850HS. This mini PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 6850HS processor, includes 24GB LPDDR5 memory, USB 4 connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, and dual 2.5G LAN support.
The Ryzen 7 Pro 6850HS remains a capable processor for gaming and productivity. The generous 24GB LPDDR5 memory allows smooth multitasking, while USB 4 expands connectivity options. Dual 2.5G LAN ports make this system especially appealing for networking enthusiasts, home labs, and advanced users. Pros: Ryzen 7 Pro 6850HS processor, 24GB LPDDR5 memory, USB 4 support, dual 2.5G LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, excellent multitasking performance. The Aoostar Maco 6850HS offers a strong balance between gaming, productivity, and networking features. Number 5. KAMRUI Mini PC. It features 16GB DDR4 RAM, a 512GB SSD, AMD processing, Wi-Fi 5 connectivity, and support for dual 4K displays. The KAMRUI Mini PC focuses on delivering solid everyday performance at an accessible price point. While it isn't designed for demanding AAA gaming, it performs well for casual gaming, media streaming, office work, and light content creation. The included SSD provides fast boot times, and dual monitor support increases productivity. Pros: affordable pricing, 16GB RAM included, 512GB SSD storage, compact and energy efficient, dual 4K display support, easy setup. The KAMRUI Mini PC is a great entry-level choice for users who want a compact and affordable computer for everyday computing and light gaming. And that wraps up our top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026. Whether you're looking for a powerful Ryzen 9 gaming machine, a budget-friendly compact PC, or a versatile workstation that can handle gaming and productivity tasks, there's a mini PC here for every type of user. Our top picks: Best overall, MINISFORUM UM790 Pro. Best premium performance, GMKtec K11. Best value, GMKtec M6 Ultra. Best connectivity, Aoostar Maco 6850HS. Best budget option, KAMRUI Mini PC. Which gaming mini PC would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.